Hey guys, welcome back to LS Techs. Today I've got a nice gaming keyboard. This is the mechanic RGB gaming keyboard from DREVO. It's their BladeMaster TF. It comes in loads of different layouts. So I've got the UK 38 key layout here, but you can get US, German, Italian and France layout, which is really nice. And same goes with the key switches. I've got the black ones here, but you can get them in blue switches, brown switches and red switches as well, so that's really great. The keyboard only goes for £80 here on Amazon in the UK, but I'm going to leave a link in the description, guys, if you want to check it out. But yeah, so let's turn it around. So you've got a Genie knob if you want to change some stuff. You got RGB backlight with 60 million colors, and you got 10 different lights effects. You've got very durable switches. You got onboard memory, which is really nice. It's got tons of features, guys. So if you do want to check it out, do check it out. But yeah, let's open this up. Let's see if I can find my knife again. It's not gonna get this side as well. This way, and there we've got keyboard. So it says game with cool tech. It's a nice slogan. And we've got the keyboard itself here. Let's see what else we've got. So inside, let's put that to the side first and get the keyboard out. So inside you get this nice sticker, so that's a very great touch of them to add on. You've got a feedback leaflet if you like it or not, what you can do to get contact with them, always nice to see. You've got a user guide manual, shows what to set up and everything, which is always great to see. Put that to the side and let's go get in this pouch here. So you've got a key remover. So this will go on for you to remove the keys very easily. Now let's put the delete key back on. And then you've got a little cleaning tool. Let's take it out of the bracket. So you've got this nice brush if you want to clean in between the keys and stuff, which is great. You can always take the keys out if you want to do a proper clean. Always nice to see. Put this back in so I don't get this dirty. So this is the keyboard itself. As you can see, we've got a nice long cable. You get a table tie as well, so that's really great. So the keyboard itself, as you can see, is in this slate matte black finished. So let's have a look at the bottom. You've got some rubber feet, so it's not going to slide around. You've got some light changing modes, your preset modes and some other modes if you want to change, adjusting your lights and stuff. You got your feet if you want to increase the size, which is always great. You've got a turn wheel here to change your settings while you're in game mode, or if you want to connect this to your volume knob and stuff like that, so that's always great on this side. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to connect this up and get back to you guys, so give me a few seconds and I'll be back. So yeah guys, I've connected up now. You can see it's in the rainbow mode, but you can use the knob here to change it. So you've got your fading effect here, so it's fading between the colors, and you've got orange here, got another changing one here, got purple one here, got blue, you just got a random one. Number 7 is just the keystroke, so when I press it will light up. Number 8 is rainbow. 9, it will just pulse out from which button I press, as you can see. So that's very nice. And you can use, so let me just go back to here. If you hit F1, you get all your other options down here. If you want to change any of your light setting and stuff like that, you can do that. Or you can just use the knob here. But I really like this LED bar here at the front as well. As you can see, it's amazing. So that's really nice. You can go back in here and you can change. Go back here, you can change your modes, which is really amazing. I like this effect here. I'm just gonna keep it on this one. It's currently my favorite. But you can always go to number 7 and you get that. You just type. But you got 8, which is just blah blah blah. So you got a few different modes. Let me just. So you've got your strokes, your rainbow, your power grid, and loads of different features. For your lights, these are real names they give them, but as you can see, I'm just going to keep it on a steady one so it does not affect you guys when you're watching it. But the typing is really well, as you can see. Typing is fine. They are black keys, so they are not very loud or anything like that. They're pretty silent, so if you're doing some streaming or any recording, yeah, they should be fine. But if you're in a small office, they're very fine. They're not proper loud, but they are decent, so that's really nice. And I really like that you have your number pads as well, your F switches here if you want to use that. I've seen other ones where it just is here, the 77, but this is actually the 88 key layout, which is really nice. I'm actually digging this here, this LED light strip here. Very nice touch of them to add something like that at this budget range as well. So these do a very great job. I have to say that I've been using it for a while now and I'm actually digging it. The color switch is just what I like the best at this price range, and this LED bar here is a great features. But there's so many things you can do. But yeah guys, I do hope you like the video. I mean, hope you like the product. As you can see, it gives you a nice feature. So yeah guys, I do really like this keyboard. I'm really loving this color. The build quality is nice. It's nice and sturdy. You've got your rubber feet at your bottom and you can always extend it up if you want to. The colors are nice and bright. Even in dim light you can see them very well. They're not leaking out that much. Overall, the feel is really great. The typing experience is great. You can type very well. It's not affecting you in any way. They are very nice. Has loads of different features, so that's great. And if you're looking for a budget gaming mechanical keyboard, do check it out. It retails for £80 on Amazon guys. I'm going to leave a link in the description. But yeah, thank you for watching the video. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe and I will see you on the next one guys. Take care.